Hi guys, welcome back. Today we'll be doing question 6. The question reads, the graph of a hyperbola with equation y is equal to f of x has the following properties. Okay, since they mention it's a hyperbola, I'm just going to write down the general equation of a hyperbola. It's a all over x plus b plus q. Okay, where p and q stand for x and y asymptotes respectively. Domain, x is an element of R where x cannot equal to 5. Okay, so domain, we're looking from left to right, and they're saying the domain is basically negative infinity to positive infinity, but not positive 5. If it's not positive 5, that by definition means there is an asymptote there. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite it, and since it's the domain, we're speaking about x, it's attached to the x. Okay, so we know it's 5. Okay, how do we choose the sign now? We know that if anything is attached to x in this manner, example, if we had complete the square form of some graph, we know that plus y of, let's say, 18, we know that this part here represents the x value of the turning point, and what we did is we'll equate it to 0 and x will therefore be negative 5. In this case here, x is 5, so we need to sign change it and put it back in this equation, so it will be negative 5, because once we go back to equating it to 0, we must get the positive 5. Okay, the range, they say range is y is an element of R, but y cannot equal to 1. Okay, since y cannot equal to 1, that is our asymptote. Okay, for y, we're just going to bring it straight down, no sign change involved. Okay, what we're missing is the value of a. How can we find the value of a? We have a coordinate. We can just substitute those values in, and a will be the only missing variable in the equation, and we can solve thereafter. Okay, so 0 is the y, a will stay a, x becomes 2 minus 5 plus 1, and a will become 3. Okay. And that's it for this question.